ka waran adigoo ku dhashay diinta Kirishtaanka waalidiintaadana sidoo kale ay ku dhasheen diinta Kirishtaanka oo weynaantaadii isku dayday oo ku soo jiidatay inaad samayso qaabka muslimiinta ay u soomaan bisha Ramadaan waxa sidaas samaysay Mrs. Ann oo ah haweeney u dhalatay wadanka Belgiumka.
Hi, I'm Ann. I'm 41 years old. I work for public transport in Belgium. And in my free time I like to do sports and I paint a lot.
Ann waxay isbuuc ka hor inta aan Ramadaanka la gaarin ay ii sheegtay inay soomi doonto oo ayna dhameysan doonto bishan Ramadaan. Anigoo sheekadeeda aad markaasi ay xiise ay ila muuqatay ayaan waxaan go'aansaday markaa inaan ka soo sameeyo muuqaal. Waxaan maalinkii 28aad ee Ramadaanta aan tagay oo aan ku booqday guriga Ann si aan markaasi aan u soo weydiiyo su'aalo ku saabsan sidoo ahaa soonkeeda iyo waxyaabaha ay sameeynayay. Su'aasha koowaad waxay ahayd sidee kugu dhalatay in aad soonto Ramadaanka?
Well, a few months ago I traveled to India and I also visited Kashmir where I met a lot of Muslim people and I talked a lot with some of them and they were already busy preparing for Ramadan. They were already thinking of it. And I think it's amazing that these people hold on to their belief this much because here in Belgium most people don't they are not religious anymore or they are not believing or they are not fasting because it was Easter over here but I didn't hear many people doing the fasting period. So I wanted to try it myself.
Maxaad dareemaysaa marka aad sooman tahay?
Yeah, during the first days I was really hungry. But I was really motivated to keep it up. So what I felt was a feeling of rest, I think. I maybe it's because you get a little bit weaker from not eating, but I was doing the praying as well, and it gave me some moments to reflect on things and to be silent and it felt like it gave me a rest in my head, I think. Friends were helping me with that who are doing this and explaining to me how to do it. And I downloaded the Quran app on my cell phone so that I could read some chapters of the Quran. I don't have all the time to be reading in that, but I just wanted to know what the belief is or the religion is about. So
marka aan weydiiyay halkan ma ku leedahay wax saaxiib oo muslim ah waxay igu tiri
here no not over here no.
Okay.
I know you, but that's it.
Saaxiibada muslimiinta ee jooga Kashmir ma ogyihiin inaad soomayso?
Yeah, and they are really happy with that.
Soonka siduu u saameeyay noloshaada?
It gives me something to hold on to and and like I said, I feel really at ease and I feel like in my mind it's calm.
Ma laga yaabaa inaad soonto Ramadaan kale?
Yeah, I don't know yet. I also tried fasting a few years ago just as a Christian. I tried the fasting. So I think it can be useful to do that one month in a year to get back and calm down because we're living in such a busy society with lots of stress and lots of things. The only thing is that it's hard because I am alone in this and I didn't talk to many people around here about doing the fasting. So it's hard to talk about it because they will not understand, I think. I keep it at work as well. I don't tell people. So that gives me a little bit of it's not easy. I have to run away sometimes. But in the meantime, the fasting itself and being busy with that, being busy with God and being busy with myself, it gives me some time to think things through and it gives me kind of security that I think I can need. So why not do it another time? Yes.
Yeah.
I start preparing food at 9, at around 9 in the evening, and then I eat at 9:30, and then I do some prayers immediately after that, and then I'm busy all evening. I go to bed. I put the alarm at 3 in the morning. Then I eat something, or I drink. Most likely I drink some good dates, and then I go back to bed until I have to get up for work.
ramadaanka waa tiir ka mid ah 5 tiir ee islaamka. ma jeclaan lahayd 4 kale inaad sidoo kale samayso?
Yes.
Okay. haweeneyda waqtiga ay ku jirta xilligeeda uma banaana inay soonto. taa hore muu ogeyd?
Yes.
ramadaan kadib waxaa jirto maalin dabaaldeg ah oo ah ciid al-fitr. ma jeclaan lahayd markaasi inaad la dabaaldegto muslimiinta?
I would very much like to do that. Yeah. I'm living in the city for almost 10 years, and I noticed this already that the Muslims over here are celebrating that day. So I'm still hoping to be invited one day to go there, because I didn't talk this much to the Muslims over here, so I don't know if they know me and I don't know them, but I would certainly like to do that. Yes.
marka aad sii barto diinta islaamka oo adigana aad hesho ama aad ka dareento raxmad ama qabow, ma laga yaabaa inaad ku soo biirto islaamka?
Never say never, no. Of course, but I know a lot of important and intelligent people who turned into a Muslim after a while, so I wouldn't say no, but it was not. This was not my intention, or this was not the reason.
ugu dambeyn maxaad dhihi lahayd ama aad jeclayd inaad la wadaagto dadka ku daawan doona?
I want to congratulate everybody who fulfilled Ramadan and wish you all Eid Mubarak.
aad iyo aad u mahadsantihiin dhammaantiina. muuqaalkan halkaas ayaan kusoo gabagabeynayaa. waxaan jeclahay in aad iyo aad idinkaga rajeynayaa inaad muuqaalkan aad like garaysaan, aad share dhahdaan oo dad badan aad gaarsiisaan.
عيد ما انت عيد ونكسن عيدا عالم كودن